हेलो वेलकम इन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन हब स्कूल ऑफ कॉमर्स। तो आज हम लोग बहुत ही अच्छा एक टॉपिक सीखने जा रहे हैं जिसमें चैप्टर फर्स्ट लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल देयर आर डिफरेंट मेथड्स टू सॉल्व अ पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन राइट। देयर इज एलिमिनेशन मेथड, सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड एंड ग्राफिकल मेथड्स। तो जैसा कि मैंने सुना है ग्राफिकल मेथड जो है एलिमिनेट हो चुका है आपके कोर्स से, सिलेबस से, तो हम सिर्फ सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड एंड एलिमिनेशन मेथड को कवर करेंगे। सो इस चैप्टर में हम लोग सिर्फ और सिर्फ सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड को कवर करने वाले हैं, ठीक है। बाकी जो एलिमिनेशन मेथड है उसको सेकंड चैप्टर में कवर करेंगे। बट yes, before coming the information about the elimination of graphical method, I have created already a video over graphical method, so you can have a look on that video. You can see in my channel descriptions. Okay, so let's move ahead, start with the substitution method. Here we have two equations. First is 2x plus y is equal to 3. This is the first equation, and 4x minus y is equal to 5. This is the second equation which we will use to solve with the help of substitution method. Okay, let's move. From equation 1 we have created a new equation which is third equation, y is equal to 2x minus 3. Right, now we've got the value of y in this way. Okay, let's move ahead by putting y's value which we have got from equation third into equation 2. So the equation 2 looks like 4x minus bracket 2x minus 3 bracket is equal to 5. Now we solve it. 4x minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Here we have opened the bracket. Now 2x is equal to 5 minus 3. Then we will do 2. We will get 2x is equal to 2. Then we have got the value of x is equal to 1. So the value which we have got x is equal to 1 after solving the equation. By putting this value of x into equation 3, we will get equation, we will see y is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3. We have got this equation. So we have replaced the x with the 1 because we got the value of x is equal to 1 in the previous solution of equation 2. Now let's move ahead. Here y is equal to 2 minus 3. After solving this equation, y is equal to minus 1. So now we have got the value of y as well as value of x by solving equations. Hence now x is equal to 1 and y value is equal to minus 1. So this is the solution of linear equation in two variable with the help of substitution method. We have seen that from first equation which is given to us already in the question, we have convert them into a new equation. In that way we got the value of y, then we put it into another equation to get the value of another variable. In this way we got the value of x and y. So I hope you got everything whatever I try to tell you, how to solve a quadratic how to solve a linear equation in two variable with the help of substitution method. So here is a video on elimination method also. Here is a video on elimination method also. You can have a look on that. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and keep learning. Stay safe and stay home.